Hello, this is the real-time solutions tutorial on how to install the Mozilla Firefox Enterprise browser along with Flash browser extension, which will allow you to log into your real-time solutions content management system and make changes to your website. The first thing that we need to do if you have Mozilla Firefox installed is to delete Mozilla Firefox, uninstall it, and then we're going to reinstall the newer version. So you can find that by going to the Add or Remove Programs feature in Windows. You can just simply type Add and Remove into the search bar on Windows and you can pull this up. Otherwise, it is under Settings, under Apps and Features, and right here you can select Mozilla from your list of applications to uninstall. You can go ahead and find it in the list, or you can search for it in this search bar. Once you click on that, go ahead and hit uninstall. Now Windows, depending on your settings, may give you a prompt saying, do you want to allow this application to make changes to your computer? Just go ahead and hit yes if that is the case. Once you do that, this Windows prompt or this Mozilla window will pop up. Go ahead and hit next. And make sure that Mozilla is closed before you uninstall it. Go ahead and hit uninstall. Go ahead and hit finish. Okay, so once you have removed Mozilla Firefox, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the specific version of Firefox that allows you to access your website. That link will be provided in either the description of this video or in the email that you were sent with instructions. The link is going to be to a Google Drive where the installer resides. I'm going to go ahead and paste that into here. It will open up this page where you can go ahead and hit download. Give it a second to connect. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds usually, and then it will download the installer. Once it is done installing, you can just double click on the Firefox setup. That'll open up this prompt. You can go ahead and hit run. That will open up this window that says extracting. After that's done, another Mozilla Firefox setup window will pop open. Go ahead and hit next. Do the standard installation. Go ahead and hit install. Once this is complete, you can make sure that the Launch Firefox Now box is selected. Go ahead and hit finish. That will open up the Firefox browser. The next step is to install the plugin. That is also provided, the link to that installer is provided in the description of this video or in the email that you received with directions to this video and how to install the extension. You can grab that URL and paste it into your Mozilla Firefox browser. That'll open up another Google Drive document. Go ahead and hit download. Go ahead and hit save file. That will then download the installer for the extension, and you can access it via, in the top right corner, this blue arrow. Click on that and double click on open file. That'll open up this Adobe installer. Make sure you select I have read and agreed to the terms. Go ahead and hit install. Once it's finished, you can hit done. Now we want to open up a new browser and you will be able to access your website and open up the backend content management system login screen. For example purposes, I'm going to utilize our one of our clients, the New Mexico Gaming Control Board. Go ahead and put /admin. Now, the first time that you do this, when you log into or attempt to access the login screen, you will receive this error. No need to worry. When you see this, what you need to do is up here in the top left where there is a red Lego icon, click on that and hit allow. That will reload the page and you will have your regular login screen that you're used to access your website content management system and make updates. From this point on, you should be able to log in with no issues. If you ever do receive that error, just remember to click on the red Lego icon and hit allow. This has been the Real-Time Solutions tutorial on installing the Mozilla Firefox Enterprise browser as well as the browser extension.